Nonu's amazing journey. In the city of Meerut, there lived a boy named Nonu. What can we say about this boy? His mind was a little slow, so everyone lovingly called him Nonu Lallu or sometimes just Nonu Ullu. Nonu was kind-hearted, but his brain, oh dear. His thoughts were like a kite string, flying here and there all the time. In school, Nonu had even more trouble. The teacher would ask, Nonu, what is 2 plus 2? Nonu would start thinking very deeply, like he was solving a big mystery. Then he would say with full innocence, maybe 3? Or an elephant? All the kids would laugh loudly, and Nonu would just smile, like he had said something very smart. Once, the science teacher asked, Nonu, where does the sun rise from? Nonu rolled his eyes and said, Sir, I think it rises when I'm sleeping, right? The teacher held his head. He felt that teaching Nonu was like playing music in front of a buffalo. But Nonu had one special thing: he never gave up. Every time he failed, he would try harder next time. His mom would say, Oh Nonu, please study properly. Why do you always say such funny things? Nonu would reply, Mummy, don't worry. One day, this Nonu will do something amazing. Just wait and see. Then one day, a new teacher came to his class, Miss Ria. Miss Ria was different. She didn't call him Nonu Ullu. She sweetly said, Nonu beta. She saw that Nonu was not silly. He just understood things in a different way. Miss Ria found a new way to teach Nonu. She told him stories, sang songs, and taught everything like a game. For example, if she wanted to teach him maths, she would say, Nonu, if you have 2 laddus and I give you 2 more, how many laddus do you have now? Think, is it 4 laddus? Nonu loved this new way of learning. He started to feel that studying was not boring at all. Slowly, Nonu's brain started working better. Now he knew 2 plus 2 is 4, and he also learned where the sun rises from. He still said funny things sometimes, like once he said the moon comes at night because the sun goes to sleep. But his mistakes were getting fewer. Then came final exam time. All the students were scared. Nonu was a little nervous too, but he was also confident. When the result came, everyone was shocked. Nonu didn't just pass, he came second in the whole class. All the teachers and students were amazed. The same Nonu who once said elephant as an answer had now become the second topper. The teacher called Nonu on stage and said, Nonu beta, you did something amazing. We are so proud of you. Nonu felt shy, but smiled and said, Thank you, Miss Ria. Actually, I never give up. I may be a little silly, but I'm a hard-working silly boy. From that day, no one called him Nonu Ullu. Now, everyone called him Nonu Bhaiya. And Nonu? He is still a little funny, still says strange things sometimes, but now he is an intelligent and successful boy. He taught everyone, if you never give up, you can do anything. Even if at first, you only understand elephants and trees.
Bye-bye.